Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to remove friends fast on Snapchat application, or you can simply say how to remove friends on Snapchat application. Now make sure to follow the video till the end, and by the end of the video you'll learn how to remove your friends on Snapchat application. Now first thing first, that is make sure you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you have to open the Snapchat application. So here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is move towards the lower left corner, and right in the bottom on the second option there you see chat, just tap on it. So next you have a chat page. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to select the certain person that you want to remove. Now for example, I'll go with the first one. Now all you have to do is long press on it. Now do not leave your hand, just long press on it. So as I long press on it, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you can see right on top, on the first option there is manage friendship, just tap on it. So once again there is another pop-up window. So from here you can see on the third option there you can see remove friend, just tap on it. And once again there is another confirmation, so tap on remove. Now here, as you can see, the person that I selected has been removed from my Snapchat application. Now there's no such option such as removing all your friends all at once. So in case if you want to remove it, it is better if you delete your account or deactivate your account. Now this is how you can remove friends fast on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.